Today, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing your new Dimplex Ignite Evolve linear electric fireplace. With the help of the handles on the back of the fireplace, lift the firebox into the opening in the frame. It's important to ensure that the fireplace is level within the framing. To do this, use the supplied bubble level and adjust as necessary. Route the supply power wire through a cable clamp, not included, and into the opening at the back of the unit. Make sure you have a minimum of 18 inches or 47 centimeters of slack. Secure your fireplace in the wall with the 4 supplied mounting screws. Ensure that you are installing the screws into wall studs. Now that the fireplace is installed into the wall, carefully remove the cable clamp plate. Now, route the wires through the cable clamp and secure it. Secure the grounding wire to the grounding screw on the cable clamp plate. Now, reinstall the cable clamp plate. Let's complete the wiring according to the instructions provided in the electrical installation section, located on pages 12 to 13 of your manual. Please follow those guidelines carefully to ensure a safe and proper installation. If you are not comfortable wiring the unit yourself, please hire a professional installer or electrician. Let's move on to the installation of the mirrored glass. Locate and remove the screws that secure the mirrored glass bracket to the unit, along the top of the opening. Set the bracket and screws aside for now. Attach the provided suction cup to the mirrored glass on the reflective side. Lift the mirrored glass and place it into the supports on the bottom at both sides of the unit. Secure the mirrored glass bracket to hold the glass in place using the screws we set aside earlier. Before proceeding, make sure that the back of the glass is clean and free from particles and fingerprints. Now, let's move on to arranging the Ember Bed for your fireplace. The options provided will enhance the visual appeal of your electric fireplace. If you've chosen the acrylic Ember Bed, follow these steps. Evenly space the large crystals in the media tray along the back. Pour and evenly distribute the smaller crystals into the media tray. If you've chosen the tumbled glass and driftwood Ember Bed, please follow these steps. Mix the different colors of tumbled glass in a bag or box of your choice. Evenly disperse the tumbled glass in the Ember Bed tray. Place the driftwood pieces on top of the tumbled glass as desired. The last step is installing the front glass. Carefully lift the front glass and place it into the lip located at the bottom of the opening of the firebox. Secure the front glass using the provided screws and hex key. Install the provided screw covers by placing the tabs of the screw cover between the sides of the front glass bracket. And there you have it! Your Dimplex Ignite Evolve linear electric fireplace is now installed and ready to create a warm and inviting ambience. Remember to keep the suction cup and hex key in a secure location for future maintenance and service. Please ensure that you have read and saved the owner's manual for future reference. Thank you for choosing Dimplex and enjoy your new electric fireplace.